Hello from Cookbook Divas, this is Carrie, and we recently received Chetna Makan's The Cardamom Trail in the mail from the publisher as a gift. The publisher is Mitchell Beasley and Octopus Books. So I'm excited to check this out. Delicious bakes inspired by India. I am a vegetarian and Katie and I both love Indian food. So I think she's probably mad that I went to the post office before she did. Starting off with a gorgeous photo. Getting right to business, table of contents, cakes, pies and tarts, sweet things, savory small bites, and breads and accompaniments. Here's our author, cute as always. Check out her YouTube channel. And, oh, some of the spices on the Cardamom Trail. And we're jumping into the cakes chapter. Pear and cardamom caramel upside down cake. Serves 12 to 14. Mango, cardamom, and coconut cake. Rose and honey cake. No pictures. Oh, there's the pictures. I pouted too soon. Gorgeous photography. Here's an almond and coffee cake. I love the shape. I think I have a bundt pan that looks like that. Chocolate and coconut cake. Rose mint and white chocolate cheesecake. There's the photo. Gorgeous. Colorful. Love it. I am keeping this cookbook. Carrot and banana spiced cake. I'm not a carrot cake fan, but I would eat that. I probably wouldn't bake it though. And now here's a picture of something I don't know what it is because the picture comes before the recipe of orange and cinnamon mini cakes. And here's a chili and chocolate mousse cake. I have to go to another chapter because I can't show you the whole book, but I feel like I have to show you the showstopper Victoria sponge. Okay. Next chapter. But there's so many good things I'm seeing that I can't show you. But what is this? Is that a lime pound cake? Black sesame and lime cake, I believe. Okay. Cardamom. We're going to learn about it. Recipes featuring it. Okay. But here's another beautiful cake. Okay. I can't find the next chapter. I'm trying really hard. Here's a star anise and lemon chocolate mousse cake. I wouldn't personally make it because anise is too licoricey for me. Okay, pies and tarts. I finally found the next chapter. And we start off with the peach star anise and almond tart. And we continue to a chocolate and mango tart from the cover. A halwa tart. I don't know what that is, so I'm going to have to read about this. Fennel and Ferny custard tartlets. I don't know what Ferny is. It's spelled Phirni. I'm going to have to look that up. Here's a page teaching us about fennel. Too licoricey for me. Here's a Degi Merk chicken pie. Beautiful. Moong dal pie, a curry onion tart. So we're into the savory now. Love it. I would totally make a curry onion tart. Oh. Chickpea curry pie. Yum. Aubergine and onion tart. It kind of looks like a hot mess, but that must be so delicious. Oh my gosh. Now we're into a chapter called Sweet Things, in case there weren't sweet things earlier. Saffron rasgulla. Peanut chocolate brownies. Fig and chocolate macaroons. Pomegranate and something meringue cakes. I didn't read it quickly enough. Masala chai baklava. That's inventive. I like that. Okay, I gotta move ahead. Rhubarb, strawberry, and orange pudding with star anise and cinnamon. A page letting us know about another herb. Which one is it? It is star anise. I will read about it. I'll try and open my mind. Saffron brioche buns with mango cardamom cream. Yum! Sugar-free fig and nut laddu. So for those of you that don't want to have sugar, I'm not one of those people. Here's a peach Swiss roll. Gorgeous. Okay, and a page about clove, which I'm allergic to. Clove, cinnamon, and chocolate cookies. I'm allergic to cinnamon too, so I won't be able to have this. You guys eat one for me. Nut and spice palmiers. Coconut and cardamom donuts. That sounds fun. Ooh, here's something pretty I have to show you, but I need to find out what it is. There's a whole page on cinnamon. Is it a peanut meringue roulade? I don't know. I wish it would say underneath the picture what it is. Oh well, we can figure it out. Corn rolls. Coriander chicken parcels. I would have called those samosas. Would I be wrong? I don't know. I bet they're delicious. There's a page on coriander. Pea and potato cups. Cute. We're not still in the sweet things chapter, I guess. Tapioca vada. I'm not sure what we're in. Cashew nut and paneer koftas. I must have moved into a different chapter. Double pastry twists. Dal kachori, something with lentils. A tomato and paneer loaf. Now that's not going to be up all of your alleys, but that is gorgeous. I would totally eat that. I'm not sure I would rush to grab this cookbook and make that for a holiday, but that looks delicious, and maybe it'd be something to bake the night before a really hot day and just take it out and serve it. Pine nut and onion rolls. Now that I would rush to this cookbook and get it out to bake them for sure. There's a page on carom. For a second I was traumatized and thought it said carob because I grew up in the 1970s and my mom went through this health phase and tried to give us carob instead of chocolate. I'm traumatized. Carom seed pilla with potato tiki. I can't, well, no, I guess those look pretty good. If I saw them on a plate, I would eat them, but I would want to dip them in a mint sauce maybe? Cumin bread with smoked aubergine. I don't like smoky flavors, do you? Coriander and mint loaf. That looks amazing. And a star anise date and chocolate bread. And we're getting to the end. Spinach puree, chicken naan. I've never heard of such a thing. That's amazing. Cauliflower stuffed naan. And now there's a little quick chutney chapter with tamarind and date chutney, onion chutney, tomato and garlic chutney, etc., etc., etc. For those of you adventurous enough to make your own. I am not. This is a fabulous cookbook. Love it. Highly recommend it. Chetna Makan, The Cardamom Trail, came out in 2021. Delicious bakes inspired by India. If you'd like to see more of our cookbook reviews and look-throughs, you can go to the cookbookdivas.com website. We post to Facebook and Instagram and YouTube, and we also have a podcast if you'd like to listen to cookbook news. Thanks so much for watching and being part of our community.